Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. Today I'm going to discuss gold US dollar. The analysis I have already uploaded on Saturday. So you must have seen that I also want to run my, I should say, no rush type of analysis on this gold US dollar as well. Plus there will be some terminologies. If that comes in my way, I definitely will be explaining that to you. Since on gold most of the traders are holding different positions, this is the whole world, and to most of those traders who were short, let's say, from here and they got stuck in the market, this is seems like a very hopeful market for all of those. And obviously for those traders who were bullish on gold and have made profit, so I assume traders are like the bulls are slowly and gradually leaving the market. First of all, if we see this whole trend, I want to study a little bit. All the way started from right here, and what we have got right here are three rejections: 1, 2 and 3. We also have got a breakout from the structure as well. And when I usually say to you, always wait for the market, and this was the result of that patience, which gave around 2800 pips of profitable and tradable realistic move. And this breakout, since it proved to be a very strong one, in simple words, these videos are, I want to keep these no rush videos a bit simple so that the beginner traders can also take some benefit of it. Or if I say, these are completely targeted for the beginners as well, because at some point in time every forex trader is sometimes a beginner, right? Because every time whenever the market changes its trend, it doesn't tell you that it will be following that support, this support. So you have to, let's suppose when a trend changes, you have to do what? You simply have to change your direction, and the same strategy which was working for you as a for bullish opportunities will now be working for you for the bearish opportunities, but you definitely have to change it a little bit. In simple words, if I give you an example, let me quickly check this pen tool if it is working or not. Okay, that is fine. So in simple words, if I say, very nicely, up wave from right here. So one test, second test, the third test, the takeover of the bulls, the break of resistance zone. See right here, if you focus, there was a seller attack right here, but obviously those sellers lost. And with this tiny signal, you know how many of the traders saved their money? Let's say those traders who made profit on this impulsive wave, this impulsive wave, this impulsive wave, down, let's say they made this much profit in almost like a month, you can say 20-25 days. And this whole rally could took this much profit of the trader, but if the trader understood this candle on time, he may definitely be keeping like this much of profit will be still there in their account. So this tiny signal. Now what after that, this tiny signal, there was another trade opportunity. You know, you have seen my videos. What I say is a breakout, retest, continuation. Is it true? Do you agree with me? I have told you this in my several videos. Every episode I do repeat this thing. A very good trade opportunity. Breakout, okay. We did not get anything right here. Since the market didn't give us any sort of correction, so we didn't enter bullish right here. But we could, but we didn't. Waited for the retest and continuation. Those traders who were looking for this much profit, because when price was trading right here, the analysis at that time would be, let's say this is a down wave, let me draw it, down wave, then a corrective wave, then a bottom. Okay, if this was a situation, I more likely would be saying that if this prices go up there, if it gives me a breakout, I'm going to take a retest. If it gives me a bounce, I'm going to take a sell trade. And what it did right here, the bounce, that did not work. So let's say if I was into this trade, I must have been stopped out with some profits, some losses right here, maybe right here. And this one occurred, this one happened, followed by a retest, the continuation. So I took this much profits, and there was no other trade opportunity present on the daily time frame right here other than this, right? Why? Because right here we had this strong, from where a new story began. The sell story, I should say. And it began, it came down, it came down, it came down, stopped by a triple retest and gone. Now definitely most of the traders, I can still assure you, must have took buy trades right here, and when the price was right here they must have took sell trades, and the price levels are 1797, 1800 zone. So okay, long story short, the market went back up, took a fresh retest and continue back up. What's next? When it was right here, I said in my videos I'm going bearish. All of you may remember. I became bearish. I was looking for 2044, market went towards 2049, and the rally continues, and accordingly I took trades. Then this was 61.8% retracement, 1911. Since 2 months you may have heard me saying, repeating this word again and again and again. So right here it paid off very nicely, and due to the fundamental activity from the US, the interest rate decision, they increased their interest rate, and then the market roll over. Here was a Fibonacci, made it little profits, and the market continued back down. And this is now so much possible that the market will be either creating a double bottom retest. If these are the same people, if these bulls are the same bulls, they will give a signal to each other that okay, we are now here and just buy me. But what next if a breakout occurs, a retest and the continuation towards this price point, so that the whole story will be clear with us? Do you guys get my point? Very simple. Right here, let's suppose if someone want to trade gold, this breakout point from 1892, remember my friends, 1890 you can say, this will be a buy zone as well. Let's say if I'm a buyer, I will buy this much, stop loss right here. If it hits, that will mean this is not fake, that will mean that this is now going back down, coming back down, I should say, coming back down to reset this story that was started from here and like this. Now one very interesting story I want to, or spice I can say, and that is this thing. Do you guys have heard me saying 61.8% retracement? Most of you may say yes, we always hear you saying. The story that I just covered on the daily time frame, just have a look at it. If the cycle is going to complete, market has to be acting bearish. It is now acting bullish still, because the major breakout is not yet occurred. Because at some point in time this market was also looking like this. Do you know, before the interest rate decision, what I said? That it's showing us this data wasn't present, this wasn't present, and just a clear bullish wave. Now what's next? We have 1 week, 2 week, the third week closed negative. But now blindly we also cannot focus on sell trade right here. Why? For that we have to look at the H4, because selling right now can immediately put us in danger. And how? Let me tell you. This story is not yet finished, my friends. This one, the story of 1890. We have got a very nice upwave, a 61.8% retracement, the pullback on the H1, another ABCD pattern, a drop, a double retest, double signal, and the market roll over. This is the first drive, this is the second drive, and that's going to be the third drive. And at the moment there is also something that is I have discussed in my previous video. So if I say this is also another trade opportunity right here, any break below, retest, a nice sell towards 1890. From 1910 till 1890, this is one trade opportunity as well. Most of the traders must be waiting for it, right? This one. How the traders will be waiting for it? I again want to switch you to the H1 and show you another image of the market. Just have a look at it. What is my strategy? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Market is bearish. So just have a look at it. From right here, impulsive wave. I did it precisely in yesterday's gold video, forecast for the week that I uploaded. So this is also so much important that 1926 can be easily achieved in the next week. That is also possible, but I'm not yet following that. How nice and beautiful. And I will be coming to you as well, to your mistakes, not your but to most of the traders who the market traps them, those mistakes. See how very nicely, if I count these number of pips, no one can assure me that yes, they have traded it. Why? Because always we are just focusing on the present market. who knows the present market is that is it's showing you something else, because the market makers have the power to make a story for you. What type of story? A breakout story. See, this was a zone, and on the news what it did, created a new story. Those who took buy from here stopped out. Why? Because a fake story. So everywhere, my friends, Fibonacci, Fibonacci, Fibonacci. And let this trend be completely bearish, and then I tell you how much profit I will earn from this bearish market on gold. Now let's move on to the dollar yen. CHF I have today discuss, and USD CAD I have to discuss as well today. Just like as I said, this is a no rush type of video. Dollar yen on the other hand side, if we see what it did very nicely. But one problem it created for Fibonacci traders, and what is that? That problem is it was supposed to go down from right here. 142 was the sell area. In first go it gave us that breakout. In the second go I want to switch to the daily and show you this 61.8% retracement. Just like I discussed it in my previous videos, when price was coming down, I told you that if the market come back down, just take a buy. How many of you are bullish? I'm not sure. Please do let me know in the comment section. So, sorry, excuse me. So, clearly I have told you this is going back up, and it is going back up. A very nice opportunity we had to generate 1151 pips. But again, we don't focus on these things. I'm not sure why. By we I mean most of the traders. On the H4 if we see, greatly, like, even after spotting this, there is no question where is it going, where is dollar yen going. 148. On the H4 if we see, if there is a breakout, yes, there is a tiny breakout, but maybe a pullback towards 143. Yes, that can be a very nice trade opportunity for the upcoming week. We will be looking to the bullish side of the market. 146. So the daily time frame impulsive wave suggests 148.55. Still that is fine, fantastic. Even if we can make this much profit, I will be so much happy with it. The question is, we for some reason don't follow these things, and then we suffer from losses. Most traders. USD CAD, what I said about it, most of you will remember. When it was here, I said it's dropping. When it was dropping, I said it's going back up. This one, a rejection, and a straight 293 pips up move. On the daily if we see, there is a good trade opportunity in my opinion. One, like, I can find you different trading opportunities, but there is also a sell opportunity present in the market currently. Very nice sell opportunity is expected on the dollar CAD. An entry, and the first TP will be right here, and the second TP will be right here. Very nice. It's going up. And the first entry can be right here as a bull. The first entry can be right here as a bull. 209 pips it will be giving us. And if the breakout occurs, then the story will be something else. The market is definitely, and I can clearly see that even market is going to break this one, 1.36725. Market is going to break it because the dollar index is not in control. So the dollar yen is going back up, same as the Swiss franc. What I said about it, check out my previous videos, that USD Swiss franc is on this bearish ABCD pattern, and check the comments of those videos as well. Hey Aftab, no, your system is wrong, your system is wrong, your system is wrong. We are on a support. No doubt we are on a support. We made profit out of that 346, but we also took sell positions to make good profits. Check it from the videos in that I uploaded in June, start of June, and you can see I was discussing it, fell down, and now I say its bullish rally has begun. It's not, most probably not going more down. The monthly support, it has been rejected. The dollar index is going back up, so it is now like I am expecting at least a pullback towards 0.9596. And mark my words, I will come back to you on this when the market will be trading right here. Those who want to make profit, they make profit, but those who want to lose and not make profit, even if you give them a very easy trade setup, still they are going to lose it. So now the one other thing is which I also want to, since this is a no rush video, right, and I assume you are watching this video maybe laying on the bed at night before the sleep, or sitting somewhere in a very calm place. So here are the different mindsets of the people. I want to just roughly draw it. Okay, roughly draw it. Some people will say right here that the market is going back up, will take profit. But there are some people who say, like, these bulls already know that the market is going to reverse from here. So they will create such an image that the trader will think, okay, that is now going to be a very nice buy. Oh, I am now going to be making a lot of the profits. And what? Because these are already prepared for them. These sellers are waiting. This is a sell zone. So a drop. Similarly, right here on a buy positions. If this is a channel, everyone will be selling. Hey, this is a channel, this is a channel, this is a channel, and boom. My friend, if this is a channel, you cannot say that it will not broken. It will be broken at some point in time. So these were some of the thoughts, because sometimes I become a little bit of, that over talking. So I wanted to talk to you about these pairs, and I want to motivate all of the beginner traders to never repeat any sort of mistakes again, because this market, no doubt, is very, very simple, easy, but is killer at the same time, and it has blown thousands and millions of accounts in the lifespan, and on daily basis there are accounts being washed away, because only those people are making money who understand Forex, right? Understand Forex, they understand. And in order to understand, you have to watch videos like this in detail. You have to ask for more knowledge again and again and again. And believe me, with the passage of time, in a very short span of time, you can make very decent trading opportunities, decent trading decisions you can take. If you are a beginner, you can completely understand this language of Forex. And remember, my friends, those who understand the language of the Forex, this is pure money. I hope I have written the name correctly. This whole can work as an ATM machine for you. These ups, downs, but believe me, my friend, just pay close attention to your learning. And you know, most of the traders, what they say? They say, okay, this is a double bottom, let's take a buy. Okay, you took a buy, but if you lost it, it's okay, let the market come back down and go back up. When it go back up, took a retest. If you miss that, market came down, go back up, another retest and the drop, so you could make good profits. Then this was a 61.8 and here you could took the buy trade. So dear traders, these are some things. If you understand these things on the time, you will be completely safe. But if you just try to close your eyes and do these things, then I think that way will be like, that will be a very hard or different path you have chose for yourself. I'm motivating you to understand these things, learn these things with passion, because there are several two things. Forex, like there is a sentence, I want to be a Forex trader, right? So if you want to be a Forex trader, you have to prove it. This is, let's say this is a trader. He says he want to become a Forex trader. But if he just closes his eyes and do this, buy, sell, sell, buy, sell, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, what will happen is this whole will be created a mess. Do you see this whole mess on the screen? Do you think it feels good? Not at all. Very, very ugly shape. Same as the trading most of us do. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, despite of knowing that this is a range, consolidation zone. And still buy, okay, the market is going to break. 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 Okay, since we have got a big rejection, now the market has to break. Nothing. Market will always be doing what it's doing, right? You have to catch it cleverly, and that's what Forex is. And here I wind up. I want to wind up the session. I still want to explain a bit more things, but let's just stick with this much knowledge for now. And I'm sure if you follow me, you will learn lots and lots of new concepts, and I can assure you that, right? So I will be waiting for your comments, your questions. I will see you tomorrow. Most probably I may be scalping in the live stream, I'm not sure, but let's see what happens. Take care of yourself. I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.